Hey, morning guys, welcome to the channel. I thought I'll quickly do a video this morning, a video I wanted to do for quite a while. As you know, this is a Defender Puma 2.2. The Pumas do tend to have an issue of the rear doors, and the issue is a security issue. It's one where the door doesn't actually lock when you press the button. I'll show you how to fix that, and something you can do at home. So please check that your car is safe and secure. Make sure the doors are locking when you press the immobiliser. And please like the video if you like what you see. It does help the channel to get recognized. And yeah, let's take it from there. So first thing is first, let me show you the issue. As you can see, car's unlocked. I'm locking it. I don't know if you heard that, but the alarm goes off and you can open the door. So what tends to happen is there's a cable running from the frame into the door in a plastic sleeve. Now that plastic sleeve bends when you close the door. The wiring in that sleeve isn't of the best quality. So what you can do is you can open the wire. It's quite easy. There's a plug. I'll show you that. And once that's open, you can get new wire, solder it, and get your landing secure again. So yeah, that's what we're going to attempt today. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the issue. When you close the door, this tends to bend. I'll show you on that side now when the door's closed, and then the cable in there snaps. So I haven't opened this to check if that's the issue, but I'm 100% sure it is. If you go behind here, if you've got the ability to, then there's a plug there. So it's easy to disconnect, follow those two wires into here, and then open this up and get it sorted. So to show you what it looks like when it's bent. Okay guys, so that's the opposite door, not the one that's giving issues. So as you can see, that that plastic pipe, how much it's actually bending. It's quite substantial, and yeah, I think it's something you need to be aware of and maybe check on a regular basis. Let's attack the issue. Okay guys, so first things first, let's unplug this. And there we go, on top there. There we go. Okay guys, you just use if you've got one, if you don't want to use your nails, just use a flat screwdriver and pop that up. And this pops out. And there you go. So as you can see, quite easy. I'm going to open the check, and there's the problem. The issue is the wire they use doesn't allow for stretching, and yeah, let's kind of sort that. It does seem like I'll need to remove the door card for that. So to get this out, and then we take it from there. Okay guys, apologies for the sun is coming up, so it is in the way, but let's first things first, open the door card. I'm going to try and just loosen it on this side. Make sure when you remove the door card that you don't break any clips. They are difficult to get hold of if you need some. Okay guys, so this, sorry, my point here was pushed on the inside. So that's why I needed to loosen the door card. And yeah, as you can see, this pink wire is sheared off, bended off. So it's not really, you can feel it's becoming brittle. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to cut these wires off here at the bottom here and put maybe cut them off on this side as well, and put new wires in that's a bit more capable of stretching. That's probably the best to do. I'll solder that and take it from there. Okay guys, so I warmed up my solder iron. My iron holder disappeared. I'll have to find it somewhere. I cut a piece of wire the same length as this midsection of that. This wire's a lot more flexible. So what I'm first going to do is I'm just going to solder this on here. I've prepped the points already. Once that's done, I'll insulate it. I'll push it through, prep in the car and solder the last bit in the car and put insulation tape or some shrink over that. Okay. Okay guys, so I got a steel straw. I'm not sure if it's going to work. That wrong side. I'm going to push that through. Now I can put this back in the car. Okay guys, I need to prep those two wires now. There we go. These are the walkers. Okay guys, as you can see, I've put soldering on these wires. So the thing now to do is to get these two connected. Okay guys, so the one wire is on. I'm going to just put some insulation tape on that just to support it before I do the other one. Also make sure it doesn't short. Okay, so I'm just going to plug it in and we test if this is working. Okay guys, so I'm just going to check my work. Brilliant, so it's definitely locking again, and yeah, now I'm going to put everything back that I've opened on the door card. And okay guys, yeah, so you see, just quick fix. Really, if you put some effort in, you can do it within an hour. Just make sure you've got all the parts. It's quite simple, it's quite easy. And then yeah, hopefully this video was insightful. Just double check that all your doors are locking. Actually, when you press the button, although you hear it, doesn't mean it's actually locking. So yeah, please let me know if this video is helpful. Press the like button if you like it, and thanks for spending time with me.